Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lemon poppy seed cake. Let's begin. To get started on the cake, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your room temperature butter followed by the sugar, and not forgetting to add in the lemon zest. Then mix on a low speed to start with, working you up to a medium-high speed, and mix until it's lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency, depending on how warm your environment is and how soft your butter is. This will vary. For me, it always takes between 5 and 7 minutes, but it may take more or less time for you, it really depends. Then you can go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, being careful to not scramble the mixture, but this is quite a lot of eggs to add, so it will become more liquid. Don't forget to chuck in your vanilla and mix it in until fully incorporated. Once that's been incorporated, you can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so make sure you get the top and the very bottom of the bowl. You can then go ahead and add in the ground almonds, the flour and the poppy seeds, and then fold this in by hand until you have a clear cake batter. This is what you're looking for. Feel free to use a mixer, but I always find that the mixer may overmix it, so just mix it by hand and it doesn't take that long, maybe a minute to a minute and a half. Then take a cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper and fill the cake tin with the cake batter, and then just jiggle it out, spread it out. All the times and temperatures you need will be on the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested in making this. So once the cake is baked and cooled down, you can go ahead and cut it up. Feel free to cut it into bigger or smaller pieces, it's really up to you. I just went with 8, as that gives you a generous piece of cake, and it goes perfectly well with a coffee or a tea. But here's what it looks like. You've got the speckles of the poppy seed throughout the cake, you can see the lemon zest as well, and this cake smells so good. So I'd recommend that you make it if you really like lemony cakes. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.